everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we are doing the very first update for my no-buy year. So no-buy month times 12 a year of not spending any money. So we're going to go through all of the things that are coming in from this past month, where they came from, how I acquired them, and then we're going to discuss some challenges of things that I've noticed over the last month. And yeah, we're going to just get into it. So we have a little bit of a fail. Not exactly a huge one, but let me explain. So I'm doing my 365 days of giving. I'm going to just get the little fail out of the way so I can share it with you, because I'm not going to cheat. And if I do something, I'm going to be very honest about it, because no one is perfect, no matter how hard we try. And in my 365 days of giving, one of the random act of kindness things that I was doing is I have a tote or container I brought from home at work, and I randomly fill it sometimes with snacks and things that the girls might need, so that we have it, because we all get cravings and it's just something nice to have as like a backup. So you'll see that. So when I do that, I usually go to the Dollar Tree and I stock up on candies and treats and things like that. And I was not going to venture down the makeup aisle, because I knew if I did that I would be tempted. So I did it anyways, because I just wanted to tempt myself, and I came across something I could not pass up. My mom was standing on the side of me and she's like, "Don't do it, don't do it, don't give in, don't give in." I'm like, "But it's my shade and it's only $1. And then she's like, "Don't do it, don't do it." And I grabbed him and I said, "I'm gonna do it." And then I grabbed him off the shelf. So let me show you what it is. Yes, I caved to the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So not one, but two. This is the only thing I've spent any money on in this past month, actually month and a half now, because I'm filming this halfway through February. And I figured, how often are you going to come across these at the Dollar Tree? I think they normally retail for $6. So I got two of them, which would be $12 for $2, and it was my shade. So I couldn't do it. I couldn't pass it up, and I just had to get it. So I'm trying to figure out what is my penalty. I need your guys' help. Let me know what I should do if I do something where I get something and I'm not supposed to be spending money. So what do you think the penalty should be? If I get one thing, should I extend my no-buy for 1 week, 1 month into the following year? Or what do you think would be like a good penalty to pay? Because I think you have to have those in order to keep yourself accountable, because I don't know, I just couldn't pass these up. So I did get two of these. So let me know what you think my penalty should be down below, because I really need to come up with something. And then next month we'll figure it out, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so my sister-in-law was going to get rid of a bunch of products, and when I went over to visit for her birthday, she gave me a bag of stuff and said, "If you don't want it, throw it away. And if you do, then have it and enjoy." So I'm like, of course I'm going to take it. So these things came into my house this month, but it's not because I bought them, it's because they were gifted to me. So she gave me these Conair Mega Self Grip Rollers, Voluminous Waves and Movement. And they're just those rollers that you put in, and they're huge, and I've never had these before, and she never used them, so I figured I would give them a try, because I like curls and I'm horrible at getting them and doing them. So this did come in. And then she also gave me a little bottle of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. So I was happy to get that, so that way I have one more for my stock. She also gave me this cute little e.l.f. kit, and it was the e.l.f. Plus Glow kit, and it comes with a glow primer stick, a glow dewy mist, and a jelly highlighter. So it's really bright in here again because of the snow, so I apologize. But I'll just quickly show you what's in here. So here is the little mist. This is the primer stick, and then the jelly highlighter. So I'm excited to add those into my little collection. She gave me a straightener, which was really nice because actually my straightener is probably on its last leg. So this is the Ultra Chi hair straightener, and it's so cute because it's pink and sparkly, so it's right up my alley. So I have that. And she gave me a little mitt for when I'm doing my hair with my wand because I have burned myself. I used to have a mitt and I just got rid of it, but this one was really nice because it's like an actual glove. So she gave me that. And then the last two things was this cute little mirror for your purse. And actually I had one from Primark and it broke. So I'm going to put that in my purse. And a little eyeshadow palette from Hard Candy, which is the, what is this called? I don't know if it has a name on it, but it's really pretty. It has, actually, did I even open this yet? I think I might have. Yeah, I did. It just has some pretty pink in there and some nice little neutral shades. So I'll definitely give that a try. So thank you, Kristen, for giving me these goodies because I did not have to spend money on them and it was nice to have them. Okay, now something we ran out of that I'm not going to consider a necessity. I need your help. What do we do? So it's really silly, but I'm serious. This is the Great Value double zipper bags for your Ziploc baggies. So we have a ton of the gallon size ones from BJ's or Costco from a long time ago, and we don't use them very often. We do go through these smaller sizes, so this is a quart or like the sandwich bag size. So I'm trying to go without them. We're not going to repurchase these because it's not something like I would say that you absolutely have to have. So if it's something like that, what do you guys like to use in place of it? Because I do have one of these. They're little called bumpkins, and I got them a long time ago off of Amazon. So they're just reusable little snack bags. So these are good if you want to bring like lunches or pack lunches with you, but these are a very small size. So I've had them from when Dominik was smaller, and they do stain over time. I don't know if you can see, it's got like almost a yellowish tinge to it. So I was thinking of maybe just picking up a couple more of the like sandwich bag ones from Amazon and then using my credits that I talked about in the very first video and getting maybe like a couple of them so we have them in replacement. But what do you think? I need to know. Let me know what you think I should do with those. The only other things I've had a hard time with, which I wasn't really anticipating, is I'm not spending any money on makeup, or not makeup, obviously makeup, but like my hair and my eyebrows. And I get my eyebrows threaded and tinted every threaded every month and a half, and then tinted every 3 months. And I haven't been able to go because I don't want to spend the money, and they're just starting to get really out of control. So I've been trying to work on them myself and just keep up with them. But if you have any suggestions of things I should try, then, or videos that you've seen that have been really helpful, let me know. I just don't want to screw them up off like really bad. And the other thing is my hair. So my hair, I spent a lot of money getting my hair done, and this was a big chunk of probably where I spent a lot of money last year, because every time I go, it's around, let's do average of like $350. So with going every couple months, that's a lot of money, and it's a lot of money to save. So, but I'm struggling with my hair because I had the balayage done, but then when I wear it up in a ponytail at work, because of work I always have to, you can definitely see the roots here on the top. So I just try to do like a low ponytail or something like that so it's not as obvious, and then I'll just twist it in a bun and just wear it low. But yeah, that is something I've been kind of struggling with. Plus I am starting to get grays, so once they start coming in, I'm going to want to cover them up. Suggestions, I need them, so let me know. And there is one update which we did not know about until this past weekend that's going to put a little wrench in my plan for the year, but it's something I could not obviously say no to. My brother surprised us with a trip to Disney, and that will be in August. So we're all going as a family. So it'll be me, Dominik, Frank, my sister-in-law, my brother. There will be 4 kids at the time because she's the one that's expecting my niece that's coming, and my parents, and then my sister and her roommate slash boyfriend that are in Colorado. They're going to fly out to meet us. So my brother paid for where we're staying, which is like a ridiculously nice house for the week. And then we are driving from Pennsylvania back and forth and doing that. So we're paying for the park tickets to go into the parks, and then we're not sure where we're going yet, but we know that we have to put that money out for that. And then also we wanted to do some kind of like character dinner and put the money towards that for everyone to go, because it was such a generous gift for him to offer to do that for us and then surprise us with the trip. So it was obviously, like I said, I'm not going to say no because of my challenge. So I'm trying to figure out how we're going to work that out, but we're going to have a little wrench there, but that's fine because Dominik has never been to Disney yet. I was only there one time when I was his age. I don't remember the whole thing. Frank's been there many times, but I think it will be nice to finally get Dominik there and go and be there with my whole family, which is going to be awesome. So with that said, that is my update for this past month. If you guys are doing a no buy, what has been the hardest thing for you to not purchase? Let me know, because I think as it goes on, it's probably going to get a lot tougher, and I'm going to probably tempt myself a little bit more. But so far, I've been avoiding going on the websites like Ulta and Sephora and checking it out. Every now and then I still do ColourPop. I still check it. But for the most part, I'm doing pretty good. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, let me know what my penalty is down below. Give me some ideas or suggestions of what you think I should do. So with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.